wasn't in. I got to the top of the driveway, fucking made a little left turn just to make sure. Click, click. Lower control arm is in place, so we know that's fixed. I'm gonna swap out the hub. Go from there. And that's what it was. Bad hub. Was making a clicking sound when I turned the steering wheel to the left. Driver, it would make a click, click. Same way backing up. It's a TRQ hub assembly for a Jeep Wrangler JK. Very disappointing. I just put this on 4 months ago, literally. Spicer. One of the lugs was stripped out. Fix that. Put that hub back on it. Clicking stop. So completely stay away from these guys. They're junk. I know it's cheap. You get them online. I think I paid for both of them. I think it was like 85 bucks. So with that said, it's junk in the trunk. Spicer or OEM. So